How to make Instagram posts with more than 10 photos. So in order to create an Instagram post with more than photos, you'll need to use the carousel feature. So this carousel feature is only available on some Instagram accounts, which allows you to have up to 20 photos and videos per post. So here's a step-by-step guide. The first thing you want to do is open Instagram and start a new post. So open your Instagram app and then tap the plus icon to create a post. Now from there, select post and then select multiple. Now by clicking this option, you'll be able to choose up to 20 photos and choose the post option and then tap the buttons. As you can see in the picture right here, you can choose up to 20 photos. And once you've chosen up to 20 photos or videos from your device library, you can now edit and arrange each one of them, which is also optional. You can also adjust the cropping, apply some filters to them, and change the order. And lastly, you can also add captions, share the tags and locations, add a caption, tag people in individual photos and videos. You can also add a location for the entire post, and then you can now share or upload your posts. And that's how you can basically make an Instagram post with more than 10 photos. It's very, very simple. Even you can do it by just going to Instagram app, select multiple, and it's that simple.